Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to message yourself on WhatsApp. WhatsApp users have the ability to message themselves thanks to one of the app's features. Whether taking notes, forwarding yourself a message, or sending yourself a link, there are a variety of useful ways to take advantage of the feature. Messaging yourself on WhatsApp works similarly to starting any other chat on the app. To start a chat with yourself, follow these steps. Open WhatsApp on your main chats tab and tap the new chat icon on the bottom right of the screen. At the top of the list of contacts, you will see your name with the text message yourself under it. Select your profile to open a new chat. A chat window will open just like a regular chat. Here, you can type and send messages to yourself. Once you have sent yourself a message, the chat will appear like any other ongoing conversation in your chat tab. As with other conversations on WhatsApp, messages are end-to-end encrypted. When you want to forward yourself a message, share a picture, or a share link, your profile will pop up in the list of contacts. Depending on how often you use this feature, your profile will either appear in the frequently contacted or recent chats list. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next video.